Then I will welcome Mr. Kit Rogers. He is Vice President of Sales in Rambus.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Ulla. Yeah, the controls here. Just really briefly about the Cryptography Research division of Rambus. Cryptography Research has been around for over 20 years, working on solving some of the most complex data security problems in the world. And we work in a lot of different markets: mobile, IoT, the enterprise space, digital entertainment, and much more recently automotive have all been areas where there are big security problems. And the traditional business of cryptography research, we're well known for developing solutions to something called a side channel attack, which is a really powerful attack that can be used against chipsets. We have also delivered very specific solutions called our CryptoMedia Security Core and our Crypto Manager platform that couple hardware security cores along with key provisioning infrastructure to ensure a secure life cycle throughout a device's lifespan. And these are big initiatives that we have and are delivering these solutions across a lot of different industries. We'll talk more about the CryptoMedia Security Core. Other businesses actually that we acquired this year are a secure mobile payment solution by a company called Bell ID and a secure smart ticketing solution by a company called ESEBS based up in the UK. Billions of chips are shipping each year now, including our security technology. And the one I want to focus here on today is the CryptoMedia Security Core, used for content protection. And inside of a chipset that is in your set-top box, so the big multimedia decoding SoC inside the set-top box, is our hardware security core, which is custom logic that we've designed and dropped into that ASIC that does not have any software touch it. And so what happens is a key comes down, provided through the CAS vendor service, and is delivered to the hardware core and decrypted in that hardware core without any interference from software or anything else. So you can see we have our own keys dedicated to the CryptoMedia core, and then those will go ahead and produce what's called a control word, which comes outside of the chip beyond that. And you can see the trust boundary that's drawn up there. We don't trust anything outside of the hardware gates that we actually design and deliver to the chipsets with our chip partners. This can be used in parallel with other security blocks. So this is completely additive to what the CAS vendors are already doing by providing their security services through a trusted execution environment and utilizing the key ladders that are already built into these chipsets. So our hardware block you can think of as a dedicated hardware block that is operates independently of the rest of the CAS, and you get the best of both worlds. So the conditional access vendor goes through its entire sequence and produces a key, and then we decrypt a key and produce an output using our hardware block, and it's the combination of those two keys that provides a final key that attackers need to try to deal with. And that's a real big challenge if you're an attacker. Now you have to attack not only the conditional access system, but you have to attack the hardware block that is resident inside the SoC, and that's a very, very difficult problem for an attacker to try to deal with. The CryptoMedia hardware security core is available in most major new chipsets from the major SoC manufacturers. So our partners Ali, Broadcom, MStar, ST, and Vixis have already integrated these hardware security cores. We've been working on this for a number of years, and hardware takes a long time to come to market. So we're really excited now that these chipsets all include the crypto firewall, the CryptoMedia hardware core, and it's available for folks to use now. So.